Winter aconite is a small, early flowering perennial in the buttercup family. It's native to southern Europe. It's now naturalized around the world, United States and Canada. And it's a low-growing plant, typically about 6 to 8 inches. And it has divided leaves underneath of the flower that look like a lion's mane. And the bright yellow flower is cup-shaped. And it blooms early in the spring, sometimes before the snow is even gone. And the foliage is rich green leaves and divided into several lobes. And it closes up, the flower closes up at night or when it's cold or in the snow. And by late spring, winter aconite is a popular garden plant because it's easy to grow and blooms early in the season. And it's a good choice for naturalizing. And I love naturalizing plants in my garden that just grow all, and I try and keep a nice natural garden. And it grows under a variety of conditions. It prefers moist, well-drained soil and partial shade, but it can tolerate full sun. And these plants here I got from Rex. And it's just one of those plants I love because it just blooms early in the garden. And I like to have things growing as much as I can, especially early in the year. That's some best plants you can walk up and down and just see what's new coming up. And this one here is called winter aconite.